Hello and welcome to the detailed review channel. In this video, I wanted to do a follow-up review of the Spinbrush. We've all seen the Spinbrush. This is what it looks like. And a lot of people have purchased this, they've used it, and all the reviews that I've seen have been initial reviews. So does it work? Does it turn on? Does it do what it's supposed to do? Basically, I want to just talk to you guys about how it works after a couple of times of using it, and it is not positive. But first, let me just tell you what brand that I have. I have the brand called YKYI. I purchased it on Amazon. Since all the spin brushes that I've seen are roughly the same, it's just the brands that are different and some of the accessories that come with them, I decided to focus on buying mine from a brand that I thought will be more reputable and have better quality products. So I purchased the one that was Amazon's choice on Amazon, and it had a lot of positive reviews. Apparently it works for a lot of people, or at least it worked initially, because everyone's reviews seem to be initial reviews, but mine did not give me the same result, so I'm kind of disappointed. It is the one that comes with all of these accessories. I actually like the accessories. Honestly, I like the brush head itself and the handle. I like that it's curved. And I'm just going to give a quick list of the accessory it comes with, okay? So it comes with the large flat brush head, the sharp brush head, small flat brush head, spherical brush head, sponge brush head, absorbent cloth, scoring pad, a wool brush head, a brush head holder, so that metal hardware, the charging cable, and the handle, those two handlebars, they connect together to make a long handle, and the extension cord, right, and the manual. And so here's the thing, this will not be a review because I cannot get it to work. You can see me clicking on it trying to turn it on. I have charged this for over 24 hours. After, I think, my third time using it, it works fine. I purchased it, it was delivered, I used it the first time, it works well. I used it the second time, the third time, and the fourth time when I tried to use it, it simply would not turn on. I have never submerged the brush in water the way they tell you right there with those pictures, not to submerge it in water because that might get into the wrong crevice and damage the electrical components inside. So I never submerged it in water, yet I can no longer get it to work. So rather than a review, I just want to say, if you purchase this particular brand, YKYI, from Amazon, you need to be careful. I don't know if I just got a defective one and perhaps there are other ones that still work. I don't know, but this particular brand is horrible. I'm so mad that it just stopped working out of the blue. I don't like it when my electronics, because I only buy electronics that I usually need. I don't buy random things that I don't need or use. So when something just stops working, then you have to start looking for an alternative. It's really annoying. So basically this review is super negative. Be careful when purchasing this brand and try to use it a few times before the return window closes, so that if it no longer works, you can still return yours and get your money back or exchange it for a different one. Although I don't know why you would want a different one of this same brand. But yeah, just be careful when purchasing YKYI Spinbrush. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching.